Welcome back, everyone. It has been a windy day today, especially over the past several hours. Right now, sustained wind speeds are between 20 and 35 miles per hour in most locations, and for a lot of us, this wind is coming out of the west. A high wind warning is in effect for southwestern Phillips County, including the Little Rockies and the Zortman area until 10 p.m. this evening. We could see a few gusts up to 60 miles per hour in this area. As we go through this evening and tonight, it will continue to be windy along the Rocky Mountain front with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Out across the plains, we are going to continue to have windy conditions this evening, but as we go through tonight, that wind is gradually going to diminish, although it will continue to be breezy for the entire night with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be another windy day along the Rocky Mountain front with gusts over 60 miles per hour possible at times. And it will be windy in western and central portions of north central Montana. We could see a few gusts up to 50 miles per hour at times. That wind will be coming out of the west or the southwest in most spots. In the Helena Valley, as well as in eastern portion of north central Montana, we're still going to have wind around tomorrow, but it won't be as strong as it was today. Sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour, so it's just going to be a breezy day. Then that wind will diminish some as we head into the first half of tomorrow night, but another round of windy conditions is expected on Saturday. On the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we have had partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today, and it has been dry for most of today, but there was a graupel shower that did work its way through the Electric City just after 4 p.m. And on the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, we have had a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day. There have been a few snow and graupel showers that have worked their way through the capital city as well. There are scattered rain, graupel, and snow showers throughout much of the state right now. That's associated with a cold front that's currently working its way through Montana. High pressure will briefly build into Montana for tomorrow, but another storm system is currently working its way into the west coast, and that will impact Montana as we head into tomorrow night and the beginning of this weekend. For the rest of this evening and tonight, there will be a few rain, graupel, and snow showers around, especially across the plains east of I-15 as well as in the higher elevations. We're also going to have partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. And then for tomorrow, the weather is actually going to be fairly quiet outside of the wind. We are going to have partly cloudy skies with the cloud cover increasing as we head into the afternoon and the evening. It will be a very snowy day along the Continental Divide, and Mirage Pass will be slick throughout the day, but across the plains and in the higher elevations east of the Continental Divide, it should be mostly dry during the day tomorrow. But then as we head into tomorrow night and Saturday, that's when that next disturbance will be working its way through Montana. So there are going to be scattered snow and rain showers around tomorrow night and Saturday as that disturbance does work its way through our area. In the lower elevations, light snow accumulation of a coating to an inch, maybe 2 inches, will be possible during the day on Saturday. The mountains, though, including the Little Belts, the Highwood, and especially the Glacier National Park area, will receive several inches of snow, and that's where winter weather advisories are in effect, as travel will be slick in those areas and backcountry recreation will definitely be dangerous at times. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 20s and low to mid 30s, so it will be a cool night. And then for tomorrow, high temperatures are going to be topping out in the mid to upper 40s and the 50s, so we are going to have pleasant temperatures for your Friday.